is I'm trying to have her use the iView camera glasses. So that will be a special episode in the next video blog. The vlog that I'm preparing has multiple scenes, and the beauty scene is always the most challenging. So I want to use the cameras that includes a wide space so the viewer can see not only me but also the beauty here and the struggle that I have to endure every time. Can you come here, beauty? I'm waiting for you.
Let's go.
So now we want to make sure that everything is working. Please check me out also. I want to make sure that the phone is working. And you sometimes start a new clip to show the great expression of the beauty as she screams and yells and hustles in any way she can. Another thing we wanted to bend down to do some yard work, and I want to make sure that the phone doesn't fall and break. Another thing is to put the cable that connects the goggles underneath the sweatband so it doesn't press so much on the ear.
It's not pressing.
On the earlobe, that is.
It's not pressing. Let's go.
Okay, now I have to shut down the local recordings here, so bear with me for a second as I'm doing that. Okay, can you help me narrate it? I start with a loom, so I'm pressing the red button on the loom, and then I'll try to grab the URL of this loom. This is the cloud recording, so it is stored on the cloud, and it has a URL that can enable me to play it back or share it with other people. I want to make it a little smaller and wait for the playback to appear. In the meantime, I can paste it, edit, paste in my notes. Now it came back, so I want to test it. I place the cursor on the right large arrow to play back and 2.5 speed. You see where it says 2.5x, 15 minutes. This is how long it took. Can you please help me narrate? Help me, Rhonda.
So what we're trying to do is we're trying to get out and close everything. So you want to close the loom. It's already done. You know that the loom is working. You want to paste. You want to save the notepad. You want to stop the loom. Playback. It's working.
I'm pasting my notes in the loom one time as a comment and the second time as a summary. Then scroll to the very bottom to click on Add Chapters and add 3 default chapters, chapter 1, 2, and 3, and click the Save button. What else did I forget? I got the link. So now I'm ready to shut the rest of the recordings. But I want to make sure that I have the link in the comments. I'm going to refresh Pissar. And I even can change it, and I can even place it in the file name. So I copy to the clipboard buffer, and then select Save, and then select the file name, and then paste it after the yard work. Control V to paste. Then I need to convert the special character to dashes because Windows does not allow to have colons and slashes in the file name. So I replace it with 3 dashes. Anytime there is a slash, I replace it with a dash. But otherwise, I have the entire hyperlink, the URL in the file name. Then I update it to version D from version C. And the current time is 10:22. So I'm starting at about 10:22 for a couple of hours to remove some items from the yard and stash them away so they will not be visible from the street,
Which they shouldn't be in the front yard.
to comply with the Coral Gables City Beautiful requirements. Copy to the clipboard buffer and then save. And then click the review additional details to see that the last step was step number 45 as I
Let's go.
start anew and add a comment with the previous file name. I've tested the loom recording, which was perfectly good. And now I'm ready to test the other recording. So we'll start with the webcam max, stop it, and double click it to play it back. Use the iView camera glasses. And then it sounds perfectly well, so I'm going to close it and click OK. Then another video that I've going is Cyberlink. So I want to stop it and play